Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Guru for All. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain the concept of effective speaking. This is the concept from business communication or communication skills. Effective speaking is one of the elements of soft skills, and here we are going to focus on this one. We are going to discuss different things related to different aspects related to effective speaking. After completion of this video session, you will be able to define effective speaking skill or effective speaking. What is the meaning of effective speaking? Then you will be able to state the elements of effective speaking. So what are the different elements of effective speaking skill? What are they? You need to know different elements, and then you will be able to know techniques to develop effective speaking skills. Means after completion of this video, you will be able to know the meaning of effective speaking. You will be able to know different elements of effective speaking and different techniques to develop effective speaking. So let us start with the topic effective speaking. Dear students, please observe this particular diagram. In this diagram, this particular block is filled with yellow color. This one, elements of soft skills. Already I told you that effective speaking is one of the elements of soft skills, and in this video we are going to concentrate on this one. I made different videos, separate videos on all these elements like grooming, manners and etiquettes, effective listening, interview skills, group discussion and presentation skills. So in this video we are going to focus on only effective speaking. Now I'm going to start with the meaning of effective speaking. What is the meaning of effective speaking? Speaking effectively is defined as speaking in such a way that your message is clearly heard and if possible acted upon. This is very much important. Now, what is the meaning of effective speaking? This is nothing but speaking in such a way. You need to speak in such a way that your message, whatever information you are transferring, whatever information you are conveying to others, means your receivers, is clearly heard. It is clearly heard. It is clearly understood. It is clearly heard means what? What is the basic aim of conveying the message? That is what? Understanding of the message. And if possible, acted upon. What does it mean? Whenever you are going to convey your message, others must act upon that. Means there should be some kind of change in the behavior. The change can be cognitive and the change can be physical. I'll tell you what does it mean. Suppose I'm asking you, please listen to me carefully, and you are going to pay your attention to me. It means what? There is cognitive change. Please write down the different aspects related to effective speaking, and you are going to start actual writing. That is called physical change, and you are going to pay attention to me. It indicates what? There is some kind of cognitive change. So you need to understand what is the meaning of action, and this is related to what? Your message. So speaking effectively is defined as speaking in such a way that your message is clearly heard and if possible acted upon. There are two main elements to speaking effectively. There are two elements. Which are they? One is, what is the first one? What you say. What you say and how you say it. So what you say, what is the subject matter, what is the message, how you say it, the way you are going to convey your message. So choice of words is also there. What you say means your choice of words, what type of words you are going to use to convey your message. It depends upon a situation. Your speaking depends upon your you can say what the situation of your communication or context. The words you might use when chatting to a friend are likely to be quite different from those used in a formal presentation or interview. One example is given over here. Suppose you are talking with your friend. At that time, the words which you are going to use, they may be different, but the words which you are going to use in your formal presentation, suppose your teacher is asking you, now you have to give the oral presentation. You need to give the oral presentation on particular topic. At that time, you need to use proper words. And even suppose you are going to appear for the interview, even the language which is used over there, means the words which are used in the interview they are different. So you need to understand, I used particular word over here. Context is very much important. What is important? Context. CONTEXT. Context is very much important to take the meaning of particular kind of communication. So I told you what is the meaning of effective communication. Now there are three main elements of effective speaking. Three main elements. Which are they? You need to understand different elements. Now the first one is given there. The words you use to audience, use short sentences and easy words to understand. No need to show your knowledge. You need to understand your audience, who are your audiences, and according to that you have to use short sentences, not long one, and use easy words, because communication, basic aim of communication is to make the things understandable. And if you are using deliberately difficult words, new words, then you are trying to confuse your own audience, your own receivers. That is why you need to use short sentences and easy words. This is the first element. Second, your voice, volume, clarity and variety. Volume, how much should be your volume? It should be audible. Whatever you are going to speak, it must be audible to your receivers. So it should be appropriate. Clarity should be there. There should not be any kind of vagueness. There should not be any kind of confusion. And variety should be there, means what? According to situation you need to use variety. Variety means, and even tone and pitch is very much important. Tone. Suppose you are scolding someone. Suppose you are appearing for the interview. Your communication, there should be politeness. Your tone should be neutral. Your tone should be neutral. Through your or with the help of your speaking, it should be indicated that you are polite, you are generous, you are kind. These things are very much important. Then your other non-verbal communication, particularly body language, it must be in coordination with your spoken words, with your spoken message. So all these are the main elements of effective speaking. Hope you understood this one. And according, you can find out a number of examples to identify these main elements of effective speaking. Now, techniques to develop effective speaking. There are different techniques to develop effective speaking. Which are they? Care about your topic. You need to talk. You need to think about your topic. What are you going to talk about? So the topic is very much important. Speak about your topic and consider your topic. Study your topic first properly. You need to study the topic. You have to do some kind of research of that topic. Research means what? What does it mean? You have to find out different aspects related to the topic. Remember your speaking goal. Why are you speaking? The goal must be set. You need to set the goal. Support your main points. Whatever main points you have, you need to support your main points. You can use different examples for that. You can use what? Different examples for clarifying your topic. Tell a story. You can tell a story. With the help of a story, you can create the atmosphere. Practice your speech in relaxed mode. So practice your speech. And directly, without practice, you should not go anywhere. So practice it and then start. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about mistakes. Suppose you are going to commit any mistake, do not worry about this one, because we are the normal human beings and mistakes can be committed. Pace yourself. You need to pace yourself. Avoid awkward fillers. Like that. Sometimes we use such kind of. Then I'll tell you. Then whatever I'm using right now, these are the awkward fillers. So you need to avoid this one. Fillers must be avoided, and for that you need to practice. Use gestures. You need to use the gestures. For example, look whatever is given on the screen. I am using my hand to show whatever on the screen. So topic number 1 is there. Care about your topic. So it indicates what? You are using proper gesture. What is the meaning of gesture? How you use your body parts in communication. So right now I use this one. Feedback. Allow question and answer session. You need to allow. Feedback must be taken from your receivers. So all these are some of the techniques to develop effective speaking. You can identify, you can find out more techniques, more strategies to develop effective speaking. Dear students, before going ahead, I would like to tell you the most important thing. What is that? that LSRW, these are very much important. I recorded one more video on effective listening. I request everyone to watch that video, and the link of that video is given in the description box. You can go through that one also, so you can understand what is the meaning of L, what is the meaning of S, R and W. L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. All these are the skills, very much important skills, and all these are the elements of soft skills. If you are so much good at communication, it means you are so much good at LSRW of that language. So whenever you are going to learn particular language, it means you are acquiring LSRW skills of that language. Hope you understood this one. If you have any doubts, any problems, you can message me on WhatsApp. My number is given on the screen. You can see given on my YouTube channel. Now we are going to move to the next topic, next point, subpoint related to effective speaking, and the point is if merits or advantages of effective speaking. What are the merits? What are the advantages? What are the advantages or effects of effective speaking? What is the first one? Message is conveyed to the point. If you are speaking effectively, you are conveying your message to the point, and the receiver can understand this one properly. Second one is there is no misunderstanding if effective speaking is there. If effective speaking is there. So continue, you can continue this sentence as I told. So there cannot be misunderstanding. There is no misunderstanding. Effective speaking denotes smoothness in workplace. What is important? Smoothness is there. Smoothness can be brought if there is effective speaking. Effective speaking boosts confidence. Yes, this is very much important. If you are speaking effectively, it may increase your confidence level. And number 5 is effective speaking is a great aid in all types of personal and professional growth, and you can become successful if you are the effective speaker. That is why this is very much important. So I mentioned certain merits or advantages of effective speaking here, and you can even find out more. These are very much important. So these are the merits or advantages or effects of effective speaking. If there is a question on this topic, you can write all these points under this. So dear students, hope this is very much so you understood this one, and this is very much important for all of you, because it will change your entire life, your career, and you need to inculcate this one. You need to be the effective speaker, you need to be the effective listener also. In this way you are able to define effective speaking skill. What is the meaning of effective speaking? Now you know what are the different elements of effective speaking, then what are the different techniques to develop effective speaking, and even we discussed what are the different advantages of effective speaking. Dear students, thank you for watching this video and attending the session. I request everyone to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Also press the bell icon to get the notifications of the latest videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.